Nothing happens when you hit print. No error, no page, nothing. Let's fix that fast. First, check the basics. Is your printer actually online, plugged in, and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer? A dropped connection is the #1 cause of print jobs going nowhere. Next, clear your print queue. A stuck job from earlier can block every new one behind it. On Windows, open printers and scanners. Click your printer and cancel any pending documents. On Mac, do the same from System Settings. Still nothing? Check your ink or toner levels. Some printers refuse to print at all if one cartridge, even a color you're not using, reads empty. If it's a network printer, try removing and re-adding it, since driver conflicts after an update are a common culprit. Still stuck? Run your printer manufacturer's built-in troubleshooter. HP, Canon, Epson, and Brother all have one, and it catches most driver and spooler issues automatically. Need new cartridges to rule out ink as the problem? Castle Ink's got affordable replacements ready to go.